Guys, this is Zachary D'Amato. Thanks for joining us at JZ Marketing and learning about what a digital asset is and what a sales funnel is and how it could benefit you. Now, first off, if you don't have a digital asset and you don't have a sales funnel, man, you need to get one. Okay? So, if you're behind and you don't even know what a sales funnel is, that's okay. I'm going to show you what a sales funnel is. I'm going to show you how you get one. But if you don't have one, you're behind the curve, okay? You are going to get left behind. We're in a digital era today, and today you need, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you need an online sales force. You need an online system that could generate leads, generate sales for you. Okay, so if you have a question about what an online sales funnel is, think about this. When you show up to a new development, when you're buying a house, or if you show up to a car lot and you're trying to buy a car, or you go into a department store and you're going to try to buy some clothes, uh, who is the first person that approaches you? It's a salesperson. It's somebody who's there to qualify you as a customer, okay? Make sure they have what you're looking for, okay? Make sure you have the money that you're looking, to spend, right? So making sure that you're somebody who's willing and able to be a customer, okay? But then they also demonstrate. They demonstrate the products and services they have. They show you the house. They show you the different cars. You take you on test drives. They gather the clothes for you and open up the room so you could fit all the clothes and you could go to the fitting room. They're a salesperson to demonstrate the product. Okay, and then what do? They give you an offer and they offer you an opportunity to partake in the purchase or opportunity to get involved with the cause if you're a nonprofit. So, they qualify you, they demonstrate, and they offer. So, those are what salespeople do, and an online sales funnel and a digital asset does the same thing. They qualify you, they demonstrate the product, and then they offer it to you. So, on the basic level, that's what we do. We build sales funnels to do all those things. Now, I'm going to show you an example of a sales funnel here just to kind of give you clarity. Now, if you have any more questions or you want to get started, go ahead and go to A2Z123marketing.com, A to Z 123marketing.com. Again, that's A, the numerical number 2, Z 123marketing.com, and you can see our featured jobs below. You can see a special offer here. We have programs and retainers that are as low as $25 a month. So we have plans as low as $25 a month, and then we have a plan that's a $250 plan there, everything in between, and also we have everything above. We have customized plans. I'm in the process of customizing a plan right now for a client that's going to be about $2,000 a month. Okay, so, but these are the starter plans. You can subscribe there. You can also get the new client application, sign up to be a new client. You must fill out an application that gives our team the information we need to kind of start working on your project. Now we also have the services of the plans, of the starter plans that we have here, and what's included with the different plans that you receive, and some information about our company, myself, our partners, my partner Justin Rodriguez, as well as some of the different clients that we service. So you could go ahead and check out that information at A2Z123marketing.com. So let's dive in and look at what a sales funnel is. I'm going to show you a couple of sales funnels. The first one is going to be a basic sales funnel. It's a wealthtraveler.com. Now, if you go to this sales funnel, the first thing you see is a landing page. Now, when you're building a digital asset, part of the digital asset is an advertisement. Okay, now this advertisement could be, door-to-door advertisement that maybe a door hanger. It could also be an online advertisement through a blog, or it could also be a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad or some other ad similar to that. Okay, now the advertisement then leads them to a sales funnel. And this is the first step of a sales funnel. And this is the landing page. It's going to give them a video of information about what it is. It's going to give them a bold statement on the headline, and then it's going to give you an offer. So the bold statement is stop sacrificing your passion, maximize your profits by aligning your passions with purpose. And then it's going to say receive a free Wealth Traveler Business Builder for signing up. Very simple. So it's kind of walking them through the sales process, right? So when you first meet a salesperson, they say, "Hey, what's your name?" "Great, my name's Zach." And that's the statement. They say, "Hey, we got the best cars. We also have zero down option. We also have, we'll pay for your closing costs." That's the bold statement or the free offer there. Now, they give you their name and their email. Now it's going to take them to some more information. Now, on this page, this information is leading them to buying or learning more about affiliate marketing. Okay, so the affiliate program is going to give you all the information here about the affiliate programs that we offer. Okay, and you'll see a video about me introducing you to the concept of the product, and then it gives an opportunity to make an appointment. Now, if you want to make an appointment with me, please go ahead and go to wealthtraveler.com. You can make an appointment with me. I'll show you more about how to do some affiliate marketing, some other strategies that we do. But for this video, I'm just showing the purpose of a sales funnel. Okay, now the second page of the sales funnel is giving them more information, and it's kind of like indoctrinating them into learning more about who we are, meet Zachary, and what the product is. It's giving them, look at, these are all people who used my services and they wrote a review. So I have reviews on there, and then I have a bunch of little offers. I have a bunch of free offers here on here. I give away a bunch of free businesses and free funnels, so you could get your free funnel for here just by going to this website. But understand, a sales funnel, it's a step-by-step process to selling your clients or selling your potential clients your product and your service. Okay, so that was a basic one, two-page sales funnel. And so now let's show another sales funnel here. Now this one is Live to Give CBD. Okay, now this is a CBD sales funnel. Now this sales funnel I actually give people for free, so if you want it, please reach out to me. I'll give this one to you for free. Now look, it's giving you more information. If you notice here on this page, it's giving you lots more information about the product, about the service, okay, the CBD oil, what it is, all these things. And then it's giving you an offer. And what's the offer? Free bottle. Okay, help spread awareness of a life-changing product, CBD. Enter your email and apply for your free bottle. So it's very simple. I'm giving away a free bottle of CBD. They give me their email address. Now this is more information. Okay, so now it's kind of walking them through the buying process. Have you ever used CBD before? Yes. Do you like it? What was your experience? Don't really have an opinion yet. Okay. Are you currently taking it? No. So just kind of asking them, do you have any of these symptoms? Okay. These are symptoms that CBD could cure. These are ways that CBD could be, consumed, right? So it's showing you more information about this product. Okay. What do you like best about your career? Now, this is also giving people an opportunity to give away CBD. And so it's helping people start a business with CBD as well. So this sales funnel is kind of showing them that process as well. Are you interested in earning extra income? Yep. And yeah, I want to take more products. Boom. Now it's going to go to another page. So these are the sales processes online into a sales funnel. Okay. Gives them more information in a video, gives them their final instructions to buy or to get this free bottle, right? Because it's a 1 ounce bottle, 250 milligram CBD oil bottle for free. It's typically $59, but right now I'm giving it away for free. Okay. So it's more information. Now it's even showing you testimonials of people who got their free bottles and what they said online. Okay, so it's showing you testimonials. Okay, these are all people who got the bottle, and then it's giving you plenty of calls to action. Access the coupon now. So I'm going to access the coupon now. Boom. Now it's going to give you the next step. Okay. Now the client, the person who came on this website, now they're completely sold. They learned about the product, they got into an offer that's free, and now they're ready to buy. So on here, I even have upsells. So they can upsell them. Okay, instead of getting a free bottle, I could also get you this coffee. Or instead of a free bottle of CBD, I could get you the CBD salve, which is a lotion. Okay, so it's going to give them an upsell. It's also has these options to get some bulk prices. So if you want 6 ounces of 6 bottles of 1 ounce tinctures, okay, typically it's going to $120 each, but this time it's going to just be $100 savings. So you're going to save $100 there. You could save $50, save $20. So it's giving them an offer. So it's rolling out more offers, right? All right, so let's see. So then I'm going to go ahead and pick. You enter your shipping address, and then you could pick what offer you want. Okay, I just want the free one right here, and I'll pay for shipping and handling. That's fine. And then it gives you an opportunity to give you your credit card number. Okay, and then a one-time offer here, which is a one-click upsell. So that's a little more complex sales funnel, and yeah, it's a great way to sell your product. Quite frankly, a sales process is needed for any product that you're going to sell, whether it's in person or online or on the phone. And this just takes that steps, takes all those sales processes and puts them online. Okay, now understand every time somebody gives you an email, you also start an email campaign. Okay, so you could start an email campaign as they enter the first step of your sales funnel. You start an email campaign where you could give them more information. You could provide more value to them. You could go ahead and give them another discount of a different product that they're about to buy. So, it's a great opportunity to continue to stay relevant to your clients and keep in front of their faces, okay? Now, these are sales funnels. I hope you learned something. If you want more information, please reach out to me. You could go to A to Z123marketing.com, or you could schedule an appointment with me by going to wealthtraveler.com. I'd love to schedule an appointment with you and go over what you want to accomplish, what your goals are. I want to, learn more about you and your business. And, I want to gain that information because I want to add value to you and how I can add value to you. So if you haven't signed up for one of our services yet, please go to, A to Z123marketing.com. Sign up to be a client of ours. We will treat you like gold. Okay, we're going to treat you well. We're going to take our time and we're going to put a lot of energy into helping you have success, because our goal is this: when you have success, we have success. Because as you start to have more success in the marketplace, you're going to start investing more on ads, and you're going to start investing more on blogs and investing more on Facebook. And we want to help you we want to position ourselves to help you in all those areas. We want to do your Facebook ads, and we want to do your email campaigns and everything else. So please reach out to me, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.